The 21st century has ushered in an era of unprecedented technological advancement, with artificial intelligence and robotics at the forefront. These technologies are not just transforming industries, but are also reshaping the very fabric of our societies. Countries like China and the United States are locked in a fierce competition for AI supremacy. This rivalry extends beyond mere technological prowess. It is a battle for global influence and control. This contest is not just about economic dominance. It encompasses a broader spectrum of power, including political leverage and military might. It is rapidly spilling over into the realm of military power, raising profound ethical and geopolitical concerns. The integration of AI into military systems is changing the nature of warfare. The battlefields of the future may be populated by autonomous machines, capable of making life or death decisions without human intervention. These machines could operate with a level of efficiency and precision that is beyond human capability. This is not science fiction. It is the reality we are hurtling towards. AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives, from smart homes to autonomous vehicles. AI-powered drones already patrol borders, providing enhanced security and surveillance capabilities, while robot dogs are being tested for military logistics and reconnaissance. These robotic units can navigate challenging terrains and perform tasks that would be dangerous for human soldiers. The line between automated assistance and autonomous warfare is blurring, and the implications are chilling. The potential for AI to make autonomous decisions in combat scenarios raises serious ethical questions. Are we on the cusp of a new arms race, one where algorithms and robots could determine the fate of nations? This new arms race is not just about who has the most powerful weapons, but who has the smartest ones. The development and deployment of AI-powered weaponry is happening at a breakneck pace, often outstripping the development of ethical and legal frameworks to govern their use. This rapid advancement leaves little time for reflection and regulation, often outstripping the development of ethical and legal frameworks to govern their use. This raises critical questions about accountability and control. This raises a fundamental question: can we harness the immense power of AI for the betterment of humanity, using it to solve some of our most pressing problems, such as climate change, healthcare, and education? Or are we destined to become enslaved by our own creations? The choices we make today will shape the future of our world. Will we use AI to build a better, more equitable society, or will we allow it to exacerbate existing inequalities and create new forms of oppression? The answer lies in our collective hands. It is up to us to ensure that the development and deployment of AI are guided by ethical principles and a commitment to the common good. By fostering inclusive and transparent discussions about the future of AI, we can work towards a world where technology serves humanity, rather than the other way around. As we stand on the brink of this new era, let us strive to create a future where AI enhances our lives, empowers our communities, and helps us address the global challenges we face. The dawn of a new arms race does not have to be a harbinger of doom. It can be an opportunity for unprecedented progress and collaboration. Robot dogs, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, are now a reality. These mechanical marvels, which once seemed like a distant dream, have been brought to life through cutting-edge technology and engineering. These agile and versatile machines are capturing the world's attention, not just for their novelty, but also for their potential military applications. Their ability to navigate complex terrains and perform tasks with precision makes them invaluable assets in various scenarios. Imagine a pack of robot dogs equipped with advanced sensors and potentially lethal weaponry navigating the urban canyons of a war-torn city, their movements eerily similar to their biological counterparts. These robotic canines can move swiftly and silently, making them ideal for stealth operations in hostile environments. These machines are not simply remote-controlled toys. They represent the pinnacle of robotic engineering, with intricate designs and robust functionalities that go far beyond mere entertainment. They are equipped with sophisticated AI algorithms that allow them to learn, adapt, and operate autonomously in complex environments. This means they can make decisions on the fly, adjusting their actions based on real-time data and changing circumstances. They can be deployed for a variety of tasks, from reconnaissance and surveillance to bomb disposal and even direct combat. Their versatility makes them suitable for a wide range of missions, providing support in situations where human presence would be too risky. The development of robot dogs raises serious ethical concerns. As these machines become more advanced, questions about their use and the implications of their deployment become increasingly pressing. Their potential for autonomous operation raises the specter of machines making life or death decisions on the battlefield without human oversight or intervention. This autonomy could lead to scenarios where robots act independently, making critical decisions that could have far-reaching consequences. The use of such technology could potentially lower the threshold for armed conflict, as nations may be tempted to deploy robot armies instead of risking the lives of their soldiers. This shift could fundamentally change the nature of warfare, making it more impersonal and potentially more frequent. However, it's not all about warfare. These robot dogs also have the potential to be used in humanitarian missions, such as disaster relief and search and rescue operations. Their ability to navigate dangerous environments and perform tasks that are too hazardous for humans could save countless lives. As technology continues to advance, the future of robot dogs is filled with possibilities. From military applications to everyday assistance, these machines could become an integral part of our lives, helping us in ways we have yet to imagine. The question remains, how will we choose to use this powerful new tool? The rapid progress in robotics is not confined to research labs and military testing grounds. In fact, the advancements in this field are happening at such a breakneck speed that they are beginning to permeate various aspects of our daily lives. It is increasingly spilling over into the public consciousness, often through viral videos that showcase the remarkable capabilities of these machines. These clips, shared widely on social media platforms, capture the imagination of millions, making robots a topic of everyday conversation. Videos of humanoid robots performing complex tasks, from parkour to dancing, have garnered millions of views online, sparking both awe and apprehension. These robots, with their lifelike movements and seemingly boundless energy, often blur the line between science fiction and reality. While these videos may seem entertaining, they also highlight the rapid pace of AI and robotics development. The timeline of advancements in this field is accelerating, with each new breakthrough building on the last, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. The same technologies that power these seemingly innocuous demonstrations could easily be adapted for military purposes. The potential for these robots to be used in combat scenarios is not just a distant possibility, but a reality that is being actively explored and developed. For instance, a humanoid robot, capable of navigating a crowded street, could just as easily be deployed on a surveillance mission, its artificial intelligence analyzing crowds and identifying potential threats. The versatility of these machines makes them valuable assets in both civilian and military applications. The public fascination with, and simultaneous fear of, advanced robots underscores the complex relationship we have with artificial intelligence. On one hand, there is excitement about the potential for robots to improve our lives, from performing mundane tasks to assisting in complex operations. On the other hand, there is trepidation about the potential consequences of these advancements. Concerns about job displacement, privacy, and the ethical implications of AI are at the forefront of public discourse. It is a relationship marked by both excitement at the possibilities and trepidation at the potential consequences. This duality is not new. Throughout history, technological advancements have always been met with a mix of enthusiasm and skepticism. The story of robotics is no different. From the early days of simple mechanical devices to today's sophisticated AI-driven machines, our journey with robots has been one of continuous evolution and adaptation. As we look to the future, the role of robots in our society will undoubtedly continue to grow. They will become more integrated into our daily lives, assisting us in ways we have yet to imagine. The challenge will be to navigate this new landscape thoughtfully, balancing innovation with ethical considerations to ensure that the benefits of robotics are realized while minimizing potential risks. Ultimately, the future of robotics will be shaped by our collective choices and actions. By fostering open dialogue and collaboration, we can harness the power of these technologies to create a better, more equitable world for all. The increasing autonomy of AI-powered weapon systems raises the chilling prospect of a future where machines, not humans, make decisions about life and death on the battlefield. This is not just a theoretical concern, it is a very real possibility that we must confront. Imagine a scenario where an AI system tasked with defending a territory misinterprets data and launches a preemptive strike, triggering a chain reaction that escalates into a full-blown conflict. The potential for catastrophic consequences is enormous. The development of autonomous weapons systems has been met with widespread condemnation from ethicists, AI researchers, and even military leaders. There is a growing consensus that such weapons would cross a moral red line, potentially leading to an uncontrollable arms race and undermining international security. The international community must work together to establish clear ethical guidelines and legal frameworks for the development and deployment of AI in warfare. The future of humanity may depend on it.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.